Hello, this is Alice Shapiro, your instructor for Human Body Systems 1 CRN 32832 for winter term of 2013. I wanted to take a few moments to welcome you and show you some of the features and requirements of this course. What you are looking at here is part of the Moodle page for this class, so it perhaps looks familiar. Well, it does, because you're on the Moodle page in order to get this. So I want to point out some of the features for you in this very informal presentation. I'll be moving this down a bit. All right, so this right here is the actual before week 1 kind of preview, and you will see on it you can click on the active site for the syllabus, and I want to take a moment to show the syllabus to you. And here it comes. You can open it in Microsoft Word. All right, let's take a little bit of a look at the syllabus. Let me see if I can move this frame a bit so we can have a better look. All right, this course is online, as you know, and only online. I will not have meetings on campus at all during the term. A word about office hour. Notice it says here I will be at my computer every Tuesday between 10 a.m. and noon. I will actually be at my computer a lot more than that, believe me. And I generally get back to students, no matter what day of the week, within 24 hours of a question that they may have. But I will for sure be at my computer between 10 and noon every Tuesday, so we can call those my official office hours. The best way to reach me is via Moodle messaging, and I will keep saying that. The best way to reach me is via Moodle messaging. You can use my Lane Community College email to reach me, but it's really quicker to use Moodle messaging. I do check both. All right, so here's some general information on the syllabus. Notes to the student. I find the human body a fascinating subject, and I hope that your study efforts will be well rewarded, not just in receiving the grade that you hope to receive, but in learning a great deal about the human body. We are dividing our work into units, 5 units for each term, and we will be using textbook, some supplementary materials, and forum discussions. And I'm not going to read through the syllabus for you, but I just want to say it is really important to participate in the weekly forums. You will learn a great deal, and you will see other students' comments. You will get to comment. You will get to answer some hopefully thought-provoking questions. And each forum, if you turn it in on time, each forum is worth 3 points for a total of 30 points, which is a substantial amount. There are about a total of 480 points, but it does make a difference, and a good reason is just because this gives you an opportunity to ask and answer some questions and participate in discussion. Here are the other grade categories in front of you now. Of course, this all is on your syllabus. The text, student objectives, notes about grades. I do not accept late assignments. And forms are also due by the end of Sunday night after the week after they begin. So in other words, let's say the week started on a Monday and it will end on the following Sunday, and that is when your forms are due. You may do forms ahead of time, although I like to try to keep students about at the week that we are working. There will also be homework. Most everything is due when it is due on Sunday at about 11:45, so please pay attention. Here are the units we will be looking at. Again, I'm not going to read this all for you. And then here is a schedule of dates right here, the student calendar. So this is something you may want to print this out. You may want to just note it on your calendar. So it should be pretty clear to you what you are expected to do, and you should do quite well. You can plan to spend about 2 to 3 hours of time for every unit you take at Lane Community or any other college. So that means this class could take you 6 to 9 hours a week of study, or perhaps more, so try to plan your time well. All right, I'm going to leave the this file and hopefully get back to our main page. Got some other stuff going on here. So here we are back on the Moodle page, and I want to show you something else. Every week, okay, as I mentioned, there will be a forum. The first forum is to introduce yourself. There are news forums. You can use this space to post any questions or concerns you have each week. The entire class will see these, so if you have personal information or a personal question you want to ask, or something you don't wish the entire class to know, then you might send it to me via Moodle messaging or email. Every unit there will be objectives and reading, so I'll click on this and show you. We'll just open this. So objectives and readings for Unit 1, just to let you know what the expectations are. You do not have to answer these questions or turn them in to me, but these are the expectations I have. Assignments. Homework assignments are on the Moodle page. So I've not listed homework assignments here. They will be on the Moodle page, and I'll show you what that looks like. But this tells you all of the readings that you are expected to do and the figures to emphasize in each chapter. Also, the website for this text is a very good website for lots of review materials, so you might consider going there as well. Now let's get back to a couple of other things. Here is what the homework icon looks like, and each week, or not each week, but each unit, there is a homework assignment, and you can generally click on this and the homework. This is the first homework assignment. The homework will show up, and then you can do it and upload it on Moodle. Okay? So that's what the homework icon looks like. And we're, whoopsie, I think I just lost something. Okay, I was showing you the homework. I don't know if I went back to the exact correct spot, because when I closed the homework, I went off of our Moodle page. So I'm starting from where I left off, hopefully. And I want to show you, although I won't click on these, that I do have narrated PowerPoints for each of the units. They are much like this that I am showing you now. I will go through a PowerPoint program that I have made and will narrate it for you. And you can see the PowerPoint both narrated on YouTube or narrated just on a video file, and you can get them unnarrated as well. Usually I'm able to do it in one YouTube, although some of the units are a bit longer, and so I have broken that down into 2 different YouTube or PowerPoint narrations. But if you get tired of my voice and just want to go back, you have the ability to see them non-narrated as well. So I'm just quickly going through all of the pages. And you can see as you go through what is available. I wish you a very successful term. We will be covering quite a bit of material, and I find it all really fascinating. And believe me, we're just kind of skimming the surface here. There's so much to learn about the human body. So I hope you enjoy the beginning of your journey of studying the human body. And please do stay in touch. Reach me by Moodle messaging or by email, and we will meet each other on forums, and I know that I will hear from you, and I wish you much, much success. Okay, that's it for now. I hope this was informative and helpful for you.